A 2.1% upward move in Binance Coin is indicated by CoinCodex by March 27. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. Right now, Binance Coin is showing a decline of 1.9% and is trading around $634.50. Now, for today's analyst breakdown. By March 27, CoinLore expects the asset to trade around $631.58, down by 0.4%. Traders Union believes Binance Coin could move upward toward $639.10, a potential increase near 0.7%. Coin price forecast highlights it could be advancing to $644, a potential rise close to 1.5%. A different analysis from CoinCodex projects Binance Coin could advance to $647.59, a potential gain close to 2.1%. And lastly, CoinDataFlow targets $674.53 by tomorrow, which would mean a gain of 6.3%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Let's now shift from forecasts to expected outcomes. Based on current forecasts, we might see changes from a drop of 0.4% to a rise of 6.3%. In short, CoinDataFlow has the highest projected return with 6.3% gain in value by March 27. Considering all forecasts, you could realize between $4 and $63 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 79.5% probability. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Consensus outlook sees Binance Coin advancing nearly 2% from current price. Let's look at the details. Consensus trends point to price advancing by 2%. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. On 1,000, this might result in a potential $20 return. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 63.6%. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. The projection from CoinLore also points to higher ground for Binance Coin. Traders Union sees Binance Coin trending lower. Coin price forecast sees the price heading upward in the days ahead. Additionally, CoinCodex points to further upside potential. CoinDataFlow notes bearish momentum building up. Consensus forecasts indicate Binance Coin will show little to no price movement in the short term. Bringing the forecasts together, most project Binance Coin to follow a rising path. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. As a result, the daily candle closed at $647.90. Yesterday showed that most predictions matched the move. If precision is what counts, 30 rates had the best result. Let's take a closer look at the details. 2 forecasts fit within the daily range. Looking at ROI, a few forecasts were in the green and 30 rates achieved the top return of 3.5%. Here's the outcome summary, showing how accurate and effective each forecast was. In today's data, Traders Union registered $29.90 in accuracy, 66.1% forecast probability, and -2.9% ROI. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. And now we can observe how the predicted returns for tomorrow differ across a few assets. PEEP takes first place in the forecast comparison, reaching 2,126.5%, while Binance Coin ranks lower. In this section, Binance Coin is compared with just 4 other random cryptos. The full comparison with many more assets, plus detailed analyst performance data, will soon be posted on my website and Telegram. If Binance Coin is part of your portfolio or just on your radar, a like would mean a lot. Talk soon.